Welcome to Weber Woods in beautiful Naples, Florida. Hi, my name is David Delanoval with LPT Realty, and this is state living at its best. Coming in, let me show you around. The entire estate sits on almost 3 acres that are fenced in and gated for total privacy. Plus, it has been completely remodeled from the roof to flooring. The main house has a very modern farmhouse theme. It features 3 bedrooms and 2 bath split floor plan. In addition, it has all brand new impact windows and doors, plus a brand new screened-in pool and spa. As a bonus, there's a separate 1-bedroom, 1-bath guest house and also a detached, oversized 2-car garage. To top it all off, brand new solar panels were just added to make this house more sustainable. Thank you for taking the tour today. For more information about this estate, make sure to give me a call at 239-682-6090. Remember, David Delanoval with LPT Realty, Naples.